Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a fun and crispy snack that looks special but is very easy to make. Soft potato boiled egg, crunchy noodles, and a golden crispy coating. Perfect for tea time, lunch boxes, or when your guests visit unexpectedly. Let's start the recipe. Take 4 boiled potatoes and mash them well. Mash the potatoes very well to avoid cracks. Potatoes provide energy and make the snack filling. Half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chaat masala. Now add half cup fried onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup corn flour, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well until well combined. Egg and potatoes are one of the most popular snack combination. Fried onions add extra flavor and texture. Fresh herbs and spices add natural flavor. Next, take 2 boiled eggs and cut them into small pieces. Eggs are a good source of protein. Take a portion of the potato mixture and flatten it in your hand. Place a piece of boiled egg in the center, cover it completely, and make a smooth ball. Now take some boiled noodles. Let the boiled noodles cool before wrapping. Wrap the noodles all around the potato and egg ball. Noodles can be used as a crispy coating for snacks. Press gently so the noodles stick nicely. Heat oil on a pan over medium flame. Carefully fry the prepared balls. Cook until they turn golden brown and crispy from all sides. Fry on medium heat for even color and crispiness. This snack looks like something from a restaurant, but this is easy to make at home. Serve hot and enjoy the crunchy outside and soft flavorful inside. Your crispy egg roll snacks are ready. Crunchy outside, soft inside, and full of flavor. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy snacks, lunchbox ideas, and homemade recipes.